I'm putting a light tan over my cloth, and now I'm going to be waxing all the areas that I wish to keep this particular shade. At the present, I'm using a brush because it's quicker and easier. There we go. I'm getting there. Now I'm using a junting. A junting's good for fiddly-iddly areas. My final flower is now getting its waxing. Nearly done. Now I put on my next shade, a gorgeous colour orange, and it truly is bright and delicious. And I'm waxing everywhere I wish to keep this shade in the pattern that I'm choosing. Final flower again. Now I put on my red dye, and now it's dry. I'm doing my final waxing. I can see my design and the images beginning to peek through now. One more flower to do, and it's the central area. I put on my final colour, a strong maroon, and here it is.